Dear students, today we will draw a TFL topographical route. This route involves a black wall tunnel. So let's start. This is our starting point, which is a green marker, and here it is the end point, which is a red marker. You have to draw your route always from green marker to the red marker, and your route must be the direct route, which means that the distance between these 2 points must be minimum. So it may be approximate, but few meters and few streets doesn't make any difference. So don't worry about that. So let's start from our green marker. So here it is our green marker. So I will start from here by clicking at the green marker, and then I will keep myself towards the left hand side of the road, and I will simply zoom in by using the mouse. Simply zoom in and keep ourselves towards the left hand side of the road, and when you will be reached at this point at the roundabout, you must again be very much careful. One thing, you must keep yourself towards the left hand side of the road. Also, you have to move clockwise. So you must remember this. And the next thing which you have to remember is that you have to click several times when you are moving along a roundabout. So TFL always checks that you have noticed the roundabout and you have clicked at least few times when you are moving around the roundabout. So it must be very much clear to you. Now you are here at this point and you must know where you should go. Actually, you have to cross the tunnel, and you can only cross the tunnel. You can enter and leave the tunnel through the tunnel approach. So you have to reach at this point. This is the tunnel approach. Actually, this is northbound and this is the southbound. You can go through this point and you can come back only through this south tunnel. So how can you enter at how can you reach at this point? So remember one thing, you can't come like this if you are moving in this way and just enter into this road. This is totally wrong because here this is a barrier. So you have to do according to this map. Forget about the Google map if it allows. You have to do what this map says to you and what this map shows to you. So you can't move from this point. If you are moving along this path, you can't come along this way. So from where then you can come, there are also several other options. So I will show you at least two options. So the straight option is, if you are moving like this, you can simply come along this way, okay, and then move keeping yourself left hand side, and simply now you have entered into this road and now you can reach at this point. So this may be the first option, but you may also use the other option. When you are moving along this road, this is another route, this is another street, you can come through the street and then you will enter into this road. But usually you can use, if you are very much clear in your concept, you can use this. But usually if there is a confusion, to avoid those confusion, always use the main road. So this is good path, but you can also use this road as well. There might be another option. So the other option may be, if you are moving and you can come in this road, and here this is a roundabout, here this is a roundabout underneath, so you can come through this roundabout and move, and then you will simply you can come on this road and enter into the tunnel approach. So you can use either option. So I am using this option. So if you are moving along this road, simply keep yourself left hand side of the road, and now you will move along this road keeping yourself left hand side of the road. So now you have reached at this road. So it is very simple and very straightforward. So don't confuse yourself that if you are here, don't simply move and cross this barrier. That will be the illegal maneuver. Always remember that. So I will show the other path as well, and I have just told you that you can use this road as well, but I will show you another path like this. You can use this road as well. So this is another way. So now you are moving underneath and you are simply using the roundabout. Sorry, if you do like this, you can simply click undo button. So here you can use this way and move around the roundabout. So this is very simple, just to use the roundabout, and this roundabout is underneath. So the remaining portion will be the same. I'm not drawing that. So I'm showing you these two options. You can use either. So you can come along this way, or you can come along this way, or you can, but you will use only one path. In exam, there is, if you use both path, that is wrong. So you have to use either this path or this street. So each of these routes are correct. The only route which is not correct, if you use this way, if you are coming and you simply cross this barrier, that will be the wrong. So this is the way how you can enter into the tunnel if you are on the right hand side. In the next video, I will show you the other options. So this is the part 1. Now we will move ahead simply. Now I will keep myself left hand side, and just remember you can use the option of zooming in and zooming out. So simply now we are entering into the tunnel. So this is the tunnel and this is one way tunnel. You are simply, this is northbound because you are moving towards the north side. So it is, I will again click here, move. I will move like this, zoom in like this. Now I will move from here. I will move the map downwards. So I think it will be very clear to you. I am simply moving into the tunnel, and there is no way out in between. So you can't enter or leave the tunnel here at these points or at these points. So it must be very much clear to you, and you must remember how could you recognize the tunnel. You can recognize because these are the broken lines and the tunnel is in segments. So you must remember this as well. Now again you are simply moving from here. Yeah, this is very straight. So don't worry about, I will show you, don't worry about these because you are moving underneath. It is nothing to do with the tunnel. So don't confuse that these straight lines, that these are the solid line. You can simply cross and draw your route over these lines because these lines are nothing to do with the tunnel. Tunnel is tunnel is underneath. And similarly, I forgot to tell you one more thing. So don't worry about this. This is a footbridge. So don't worry about that. It is nothing to do. If you are coming from here, don't confuse that this is a line. You can't cross this. You simply cross and draw, or you can draw your route over these lines because this is simply a footbridge. Now you are here at this point. Now this is again a tunnel approach. Now when you have reached at the tunnel approach, now you can leave the tunnel only through the tunnel approach. So since you have to move along the left hand side because you should know where your destination is. Your destination is at this point. So you have to leave and move on this road so that you could reach at this point. So this is your point. If your point is here at right hand side, then how could you go at this point? I will tell you in the next part. But here I am simply moving towards the left. So you can enter, or sorry, you can leave like this towards the left hand side. You will simply move like this and keep yourself left hand side. Now remember one thing, our destination is here. If you come through this point, so you can't enter from here. This is a road closure. Yes, you can't enter from this main road over this, because this is a solid line here. But here there is no solid line. You can enter from here, you can enter from here, you can even enter from here. So I will simply enter from this point. I will simply enter from this point and keep myself left hand side, and then I will move like this here. I will simply move here, and then I will keep myself left hand side, and this is here I have reached. Then I simply click over my destination. So here I have completed my route. So this is the most direct route. If you draw like this, you will get the full marks. So this was our part 1. In next part, I will tell you the other option, that if you are coming from here or if you are coming from here, how can you enter into the tunnel, and after leaving the tunnel, if your destination is here at this point, or if it is here, how can you reach at those points. And in next part I will tell you, if your starting point is here, how can you start from here and enter into the south tunnel. So there are several options. So keep watching my videos. I will tell you each and every option. Thank you very much. Till next time.